Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a headphone is HyperX. You can see this headphone cable is broken. Customer said the microphone is not working. This is the audio jack 3.5 mm. But so guys, now I will open this headphone and check inside the cable is all perfect or not. So have 4 screw here. You need a star screwdriver to remove this. Okay, here is the cable connection. These 2 cable for the microphone. Okay, those 2 cable for microphone and this 3 cable for the speaker. So I will open this microphone case, this microphone jack. Okay, and I will cut the cable and re-soldering again and check this wire working or not working. So I cut the cable from this side. Okay, from here. So now I open the cable and check. Okay, here is the cable inside, and now I will resoldering all the cable again and check this working or not working. If not working, I will change the cable. Okay, here is the 3 cable for the speaker and this cable for microphone. So I will open the microphone cable. This is the ground and the white color for plus microphone. So I have to do soldering all the cables front. You see, okay. So I have to open from this old cable, and here is for green and another side red, and the ground is here for the blue color. So green and red for left right speaker and the blue for the ground here. So I will use the blue color for ground color. Okay, so guys, now I will use for green color here the first one, this headset. Okay, and the blue color for ground I connected, and the red color with another side headphone, maybe left side headphone, I make the red color. Okay, red with that green. Almost done. And here is for microphone cable For microphone cable I have to connect white for M plus and brown for M minus. Almost done. So now I have to return back this cable inside. Okay, here is to screw, return back. Now I return back this speaker. I will check first, then I will close. So I return back the microphone and I put this microphone cable to the mobile phone and go to the voice record. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, mic test. Hello, hello, hello. So I close here microphone and not working. You can see I open the microphone. Now is microphone working perfectly. So no need to change the cable. Now I close microphone and not working the microphone. Okay. Now check the voice. Both of side working. So guys, both of microphone working.
Hello, mic test. Hello, hello.
Working perfectly. So guys, you can see it's working. Microphone
Hello,
and
mic
headphone.
test. Hello, hello, hello.
So this headphone is now done. No need to change the cable. If you have problem with your audio cable, you have to change. You can buy this cable, the Ostro headphone cable, from any PlayStation shop or the computer shop or online platform. After you can change cable, it will work perfectly. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification.